Finally, Copilot in PowerPoint getting better. New functionalities are rolled out by Microsoft, and it's looking that evolution of this product moving forward. In this video, I will show you few changes that are provided by Microsoft to Copilot in PowerPoint, and moreover, I will highlight the fact that presentations created by Copilot looking much better. And you can see in previous videos on this channel that Copilot in PowerPoint is already great in structuring the information. It is perfect solution if you want to take the text, take the document and convert it to the very well organized PowerPoint presentation, and also to deliver the presenter notes. That will be super helpful. And on another video you can see that you can reuse organization templates that will be used by Copilot to create the new presentation. But in both videos I was complaining that Copilot working very well, but look and feel is not that great. So that's why let's see how Copilot in PowerPoint looks and works right now, what are the new features and functionalities provided by Microsoft, and how presentations created by Copilot looked 3 months ago, and what are the proposals delivered by Copilot right now. And if you want to get more videos like that, please leave subscription, like or comment below. This is the easiest way to support this channel against the algorithm of YouTube. So let's switch to my screen and let's see how Copilot in PowerPoint works right now. So let's take a look about the quality of the presentations that are generated by Copilot in PowerPoint in last few months, from the newest to the oldest ones. And you can see how the quality of the way, how not only the data is very well structured, but also how the presentations from visual perspective looking much better. Also, the visuals are structured much more organized way. Again, not every time the presentation will be perfect or great, but you can see on the screen it's starting to be better organized, and also visuals seems to be much better. And we will navigate through few examples to show you other examples of the presentations that were generated recently from perspective of the newest edition of the Copilot in PowerPoint. And you can see for this example looks very good. The way how the presentation is structured in the visual way, looking quite interesting, I very like it. And if we will move, you can see that in few examples Copilot reused that kind of model of how the visuals are structured. Frankly, I like it very well. But you can also see if we will move forward, there will be some differences, but also the quality of the presentations. Still, we can get very good quality of the way how visuals are created, but sooner we will move to the older presentations, you will see the approach is not that great. These are the examples that were generated 2-3 months, and you can see again, the data is very well structured, but let's say it is not stunning look and feel of the presentation. And few more examples of how Copilot were able to create that kind of slides for me in the past. You can see it's working, but I'm not sure is it safe to tell that it is something beautiful or exciting. Looking much better, maybe they are a little simpler, but from visual perspective I'm very satisfied with the results. And again, probably not every run of Copilot in PowerPoint will deliver that kind of quality, but there is significant change in the area of how the presentations that are generated by AI looking. The second element I want to highlight for you from the perspective of evolution of Copilot in PowerPoint. Now you can see we also get Copilot icon in the middle of the screen where we working with the slides. This is the approach taken from Word application and unified across Office 365. And you can see if we want to ask Copilot, we getting back to the classic approach where we opening the another tab of Copilot when we are able to gather information from the outside of Copilot or summarize existing slides. But if we want to draft with Copilot and create the presentation, we can start it directly from the middle of the screen. So let's create the new presentation like in the examples that we used in the previous instances. And let's ask Copilot to create another presentation about Copilot IT advisory services that could be delivered globally. And now what you can see, we're getting the new presentation generation wizards. First of all, Copilot structuring the information that should be implemented into the slides. We can like it or dislike specific element, we can remove it, and moreover, we can reshuffle the elements that are provided by Copilot or even add one more additional topic that we believe will be additional value for such a presentation. And this is really great functionality that is included in here. You can see this is not one-click generation, but we're starting to impact the way how AI provides the information for us. And when we will be ready, we can start the generation. And the process also looks a little different than in the past. Copilot will structure our slides based on the previous agreed approach and also think about the visuals, transitions, and the look and feel that will be generated in here. Very interesting approach. So let's give Copilot one moment and our slides will be generated. We will have some high-level overview about how it will looks like, and soon this structure will be provided for us. In few seconds we're getting our presentation generated by Copilot. First of all, you can see the structure of the presentation is also organized much better. We have standardized look and feel of our slides, so title slide, content slides, and also the conclusion in the end. And you can see we also have the transitions added into our presentation. If we will keep it and if we will go to that slides, then you can see how the presentation is looking. Again, you can see in this case, look and feel is also standardized and optimized by Copilot during the process, which is something that I very like. Moreover, if you will use your templates of presentation, Copilot could also use that in similar approach. And you should remember this is not the last step of the evolution of the Copilot. Sooner it will also be able to use not, let's say, publicly available pictures that could be used, but also you will be able to use your organization global image stock repository that is available in Microsoft 365. Copilot will be able to reuse them directly for your slides, which could be very helpful. And in the end, I also want to remind you, there is also Designer, could really help you to optimize the look and feel of your slides and add additional touch on your side. And these are the also AI-based elements that could be provided, but focus directly on the look and feel. So if you want to take what Copilot provides for you and improve it, you can also use Designer to do that. You can see evolution of Copilot in PowerPoint happening right now. The new user interface, the new look and feel of the process when you're creating the new slides, looking very promising, and moreover, we're getting better and better quality of the visuals of the slides that will be provided by AI in our PowerPoint. Of course, you shouldn't be worried. Copilot will not replace us as a person who need to speak or create that kind of presentation, but still it could save you a lot of time and moreover could really speed up the process when you're starting from the totally blank page. In the next weeks, you can also expect a few more videos about Copilots that I'm working on, so stay tuned. So for now, thank you very much for watching, for your time, and see you in the next video.